The SADC Council of Ministers convened here in Luanda, Angola on the 10th to 11th March 2024 to primarily discuss Zimbabwe among other things. The Council in just half an hour noted the need to expedite the ongoing due processes on Zimbabwe to ensure the illegitimacy in Harare brought about by the flawed electoral process in the August plebiscite last year is corrected. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before you go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. The SADC Council of Ministers expressed their frustration with the prolonged ongoing SADC due processes to correct the illegitimacy in Harare, as this has brought untold suffering to the masses of Zimbabwe. The SADC Council of Ministers are fully behind the SADC Secretariat resolution for fresh elections to be held in Zimbabwe on June 30 this year. An illegitimacy tag SADC on President Emmerson Mnangagwa, which the SADC Electoral Observation Mission SEOM report on Zimbabwe elections gave him, can, according to the SADC guidelines and principles, only be corrected through fresh elections. The SADC statutes, as enshrined in the SADC Treaty, of which Zimbabwe is one of the 16 statutories, say that that must be followed. This is today's news about the SADC Council of Ministers all in favor of the fresh elections to be held on June 30 this year. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.